So what we're going to do now is we're going to do an exercise that brings awareness to your present emotion experience, because that's a really good place to start when we're trying to actually start to do some self-assessment, work out some issues, and solve some problems today. So what I would like you to do is to just take a couple minutes just to make sure that you're comfortable. You want to make sure that you're seated in a comfortable position. Make sure that you're feeling like there's minimal distractions for this next hour and change. And I want you just to take a couple of deep breaths in and out, just to start slowing your thought process and really orienting yourself to the present moment. So try not to think so much about all the other things you have to do today, and really just focus in on your breath. So breathe in and breathe out, and breathe in and breathe out. Now I want you to take a moment to connect to your current emotional experience. So continue to sit comfortably or lay down comfortably, whatever you're doing. If your eyes aren't already closed, gently close your eyes and tune into what your body is feeling right now. Focus all of your attention on the physical sensations that are here now. There might be feelings of tingling, agitation, anger, or maybe sadness. Don't judge the emotions that are coming up. Just allow yourself to remain in this state for a moment and observe it. And now I would like you to rate how pleasant this emotion is for you on the scale of 1 to 10. 1 being very unpleasant and 10 being very pleasant. Now rate how high your energy is at this moment. Whereas 1 is a very low amount of energy and 10 is a very high amount of energy. All right, so remember those two numbers. And now we are going to be plotting your current emotional experience on a tool called the emotion meter. And now what we're going to do here, as you guys can see on this slide, is you're going to plot your two numbers. And this is what it's going to help you to do. So when you plot these numbers, what's going to happen is you're going to be able to kind of see a specific word that should correspond to your emotional experience in some way. Now, some people feel like it's very accurately describing them. Some people may not, but do the exercise and see if it helps you just to understand a bit more about your emotional state currently. So essentially what you're going to be doing is you're going to look at the bottom, the numbers along the bottom. That's the pleasantness. That's the pleasantness number that you did first. So on a scale of 1 to 10, find that number from the bottom. And then on the left side, those numbers represent that energy level. Okay. So again, whatever you scored, go ahead and put that down. So you're going to find what that emotion corresponds to. And you can see that the table quadrants are color coded. The red cells represent emotions that are high in energy and low in pleasantness, like angry, scared, and anxious. The blue cells are emotions that are low in energy and low in pleasantness, like sad, disappointed, and lonely. The green cells are emotions that are low in energy and high in pleasantness, like calm, tranquil, and relaxed. And the yellow cells are emotions that are high in energy and high in pleasantness, like happy, excited, and curious. So there are 100 emotions in total, 25 per quadrant. I don't think that usually I use 100 emotion words in my vocabulary. So this is meant to expand your vocabulary of emotional states. And again, this is really just about bringing your focus to the current moment and really focusing in on your emotional experience and being able to describe it with as much accuracy as possible, right?
Mm.
Sometimes we have difficulty talking about an emotion. It feels very generalized to us, or maybe we just don't feel good and we don't know why. So check out this tool. Use this tool. This is from positivepsychology.com. It's a great resource. And so it's a wonderful tool that I've utilized with my patients, especially those who just have difficulty capturing their emotional experience. They're like, I don't feel good today and I don't know why. But it's really important to know the specifics. Why is that? Because once you know the specifics, you can then problem solve it. You can then apply coping strategies.